In front of me is CUBOT King Kong X, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then choose Emergency Contacts, select Add Contact and click on the ones that you wish to add. To change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Then place them however you wish to and tap on Save. If you want to delete one of them, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and choose Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!